What specific questions should you ask a pest control company to ensure thorough, effective, and safe service that gives you real value? Ask the technician to list exactly what the service includes and to describe how they treat both the lawn and the base perimeter of your home, including where and how products will be applied and how long treatments protect against specific pests. Request the names of active ingredients and their safety certifications, and then ask how those products are used around children, pets, edible plants, and wells, so you can plan temporary precautions with clear timing. Get a step-by-step treatment plan that explains inspection, targeted application, follow-up visits, monitoring, and thresholds for additional action, so you know what to expect and when a revisit is warranted. Ask about the qualifications and experience of the technician who will be on site and whether the same person or team will handle follow-up visits to preserve consistency and accountability. Clarify the company's satisfaction guarantee terms and what triggers a no-cost retreatment so you are not charged again for the same infestation. Finally, ask how they document results and communicate findings so you receive a written report or digital record showing the work performed, products used, recommendations for exclusion or sanitation, and a schedule for future maintenance. Common mistakes homeowners make include accepting vague scope descriptions without written detail, which leads to poor expectations, so always get a written treatment plan and list of applied products with concentrations. Another frequent issue is not asking about safety around vulnerable household members, leading to unnecessary exposure, so explicitly ask about reentry intervals and safe handling instructions and scheduled treatments when people and pets can be away. A third problem is ignoring the technician's experience and assuming all providers perform equally, which can cause ineffective treatments. So ask for specific experience with your pest type, request references or case examples, and verify that the company provides follow-up visits included in the price. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local pest control companies and other contractors while letting us share experiences in a community discussion forum. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them respond to homeowner needs.